BOXABL has now completed about a third of its U.S. federal government contract for over 150 casitas. They are churning out houses at a rate of about 1 to 2 a day and should soon be ready to get to work on the over 50,000 commercial orders for casitas. They have plans to produce houses every 90 minutes, and with the ever-increasing demand for casitas, BOXABL is now raising capital for an even bigger factory. With that goal in mind, BOXABL is giving you the chance to win a free casita. You have several chances to win, so check out the links in the description and enter today. Thanks for watching and have fun today.